I'm sorry, mate. You're getting sprayed there, mate, by the wind. 20 knot winds.
So good.
Good afternoon, Finding Joe Crow. Finding Joe Crow. That's a new one for me. Finding Joe Crew. What an afternoon. Conditions could not be better for fishing. And if you're a non-subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We tried to sneak out after work, and I should have the violins going at this point in time because I do apologise for the lack of Finding Joe videos. We've been building dreams, and clients and customers have been on our case since Christmas to complete their work, so we haven't had a chance to come out and fish. And now that we have picked the worst day possible to come out. We've got white caps inside Western Bob Bay as we go through the middle split. So the challenge today will be, can we catch a fish? Or can the cat come through with the goods? So the cap is on. Cap never. Cap never lets us down, does he? Hey? Look at that. The squid, Mr. Squid. If the microphone's working, who knows? Nothing to ride home, but that doesn't matter.
You know what? It's actually
Oh, then it dropped off. What a ripper. Never any doubt in you, mate. There just never is. Hey? Every time we rely on the cap to bring in the bacon. We normally go out from Stony Point and across to Tankerton to catch some squid, and then we're going to sort of try and find some whiting. The cap has taken us somewhere absolutely, completely different. When we got here, I sort of jumped into the cabin there and looked on Google Maps and saw that it was a lot of weed and reef around this area. So I thought, you know what, this is as good a spot as any to catch some squid.
Looked at the depth, sort of went from like 8 metres to like 2 metres or something. And I thought, oh, with the current where it is in the bay, the current going past, it would have to grab a lot of nutrient on the side of the thing and create weed and whatnot.
I confirmed that by looking at Google Maps. It's a simple tool when you're fishing, is to use Google Maps for anyone out there, especially if you haven't fished in an area before. You can see like a satellite view or a down view, if you like, of the terrain. You wouldn't see Nev fishing out here, would you? Not in this little kayak, would you? No. Hey? Just kidding, Nev. Come on, mate. Let's put down the knife, will you? Pissing off Dave and Adrian and Nev. Winger as well, you reckon?
Yeah,
Dom's
Nev.
fishing.
Yeah, they all just despise you. Everything you stand for, I think. That's just my take on it.
If you're new to fishing, best thing is to do is just get out and give it a go. Try new areas. You never know your luck. Like today. Are we on as we speak? Or is that weed? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that pull. Oh, is that weed? I know. I do apologise. I saw the weed behind you and I thought, that's a weed.
Nah, it's his ink.
That's his
Where's
ink.
the little net?
Just in there.
I'll grab him by the net. I don't feel like that's work. That's, you know.
Sorry about it. Oh! Got him?
Yeah.
Nice one. be a scumbag, but you produce the goods.
Out of pure luck.
For a couple of scumbags fishing, we do alright, I reckon.
No brain.
I do apologise if I'm rambling a little bit. I got told off in the last episode just to keep my mouth shut, basically.
Most people would in the community.
Is it a gummy or a dog tooth tuna?
It's a dog tooth.
There's a very small gummy wrapped up in your little whiting rig, mate.
When I make my basically my synopsis of what I caught today, gummy will be mentioned.
Mr. Gummy. Just washing the boat off. Oh yeah, look at those racks. Oh,
Ricky.
Terrence.
Hey, Ricky Racer.
Need to get you into the street real quick.
Tough off.
That wasn't the afternoon that we had planned, unfortunately, but we did achieve our goal, or our challenge that we set ourselves, and that was to catch a fish, albeit a little gummy about that big. We did catch a fish, so we completed the challenge in the worst conditions possible. If you do enjoy these little short videos that we make sure you hit that like button, subscribe and all the rest of it, and we'll catch you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you want to check out more awesome content, then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you'd like to check out and see what we're up to on a daily basis, then you can check out our socials down here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you somewhere out there in the big blue.